Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, pink color, brown color, black color, blue color, purple color, yellow color, green color. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for house. I for iron. J for joker. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Thanks for watching. Bye.